Welcome to Love Me, Mrs. Lee's channel.
If you're struggling with bipolar depression, there are treatment options. Ask your doctor if once-a-day Latuda, Racidone HCl, may help you. In clinical studies, Latuda
Hey
has been shown
guys,
to be
okay,
effective
so
for many people struggling
I'm
with
just laying
bipolar
here
depression.
and we're watching TV,
Latuda is not for
watching
everyone. Call
Cassie,
your doctor about
and
unusual mood changes,
she's just
behaviors,
chilling.
or suicidal thoughts. Antidepressants can increase
So,
these in children, teens, and young addiction. Or give uncontrollable muscle movements that can be permanent. High blood sugar has been seen with Latuda and medicines like it, and in extreme cases can lead to coma or death. Other risks include decreased white blood cells, which can be fatal, dizziness on standing, seizures, increased cholesterol, weight, or prolactin, trouble swallowing, and impaired judgment. Avoid grapefruit or grapefruit juice. Use caution before driving or operating machinery. There are paths to treat bipolar depression. Ask your doctor if once-a-day Latuda for bipolar depression is right for you. For savings options, visit Latuda.com.
you're, okay, hold on, let me get you. You're about to spit up, hold on. I got you. I got you. Okay guys, so I just love my baby boy. I love him. He's just somebody got the hiccups or trying to spit up as well. Somebody got the hiccups over here. You see him jump? Y'all see him jump? He got the hiccups. He got the hiccups. Yes.
Someone has to stop this. Even if that's someone it wasn't built in such a way as preventing one from being built. I was pretty close.
Well guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. This is just me playing around, basically. Happy being sleepy. Nap time. Sound like a good idea to you? Does that sound like a good idea to you? Does that sound like a good idea to you? You don't like the hiccups, do you? Alright. Bye guys.